How to change your avatar in Blood Strike game. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how you can easily change your avatar or your profile picture in the Blood Strike game using your Android device or your iOS device. So let's get started. First of all, open the Blood Strike game on your device and wait for the main lobby screen to load. Once it does, go ahead and click on your current avatar at the top left corner. You'll then open up this personal info section where you'll need to tap on your current avatar at the top left. Now you'll come across this avatar section where you can choose your avatar. Select the avatar that has been unlocked. Some of the avatars will need Strike Pass so that it can be unlocked. Find one of the avatars that is available for now and then click on Equip in yellow on the right corner. Soon after you do that, if you get back to your personal info section, you'll see your avatar changed. So that's it. Super quick and easy. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.